everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am just gonna take you along today as I get some cleaning done, some laundry, and get the sheets switched on a couple of the beds in the house. I'm really excited to share this video because I'm going to delegate and multitask at the same time by using my new iRobot. That was an awesome gift from my mother-in-law, and I'm excited to use it and get practically the entire house cleaned all in one day thanks to the help of Alice. I hope you find some motivation in this. Let's get started. The first thing I want to do is get my essential oils diffusing in my essential oil diffuser. So I'm going to choose the essential oil blend of Immune by Jordan Essentials, and I'm going to enhance that with lemon. The Immune essential oil is perfectly blended and helps boost your immune system. And lemon not only is a great fragrance, but it's also uplifting and invigorating, which is perfect for this rainy day that I'm going to spend cleaning my house. I love getting my diffusers going first thing in the morning, especially on a day when I'm going to be home and cleaning, and I really get to enjoy having the smell all throughout the house. Lemon is such a good oil, especially for this time of year, but the Immune blend is one of my very favorites, and I actually did a video where I talked more about it, and I'll be sure and link that in the description box below. I just did a quick tidy of the carpets to make sure that there's nothing in Alice's way before she starts vacuuming. I just go into the app and press start, and she gets vacuuming so I can work on other things. Once I have our bed all stripped, I just spray down the mattress pad with the Green and Clean from Jordan Essentials. It's an effective disinfectant, and my husband and I recently got the purple mattress, which we love, but the mattress pad that came with it is not like a regular mattress pad. It's not cotton. It's definitely more of a mattress protector, so I don't wash it very often because it's a little bit more, I don't know the material, sort of a vinyl kind of material, and so it takes a long time to dry. So I usually go and put the sheets in, and then I'll add a few things from the laundry hamper there in the laundry room just to make it a full load. And this specific time I want to make sure that I close up the laundry closet so that Alice can get into the room and she doesn't run into those doors. For each one of our beds, I have a sheet set, one to wash and one to wear is sort of how I think of it. So I go ahead and get the bed remade with a fresh set of sheets, and then once I get the other sheets folded, I just put those in the closet. So when I go through the sheet changing again, I have that all ready. Then I'm going to get started and clean up the kitchen. And for whatever reason on this day, the only thing I recorded me cleaning was the stovetop. So I'm just going to insert a before and after picture of the kitchen, but I did wipe everything down with the Green and Clean from Jordan Essentials. In this video, you are seeing me clean and spray the Green and Clean from Jordan Essentials, as well as I've mentioned it a couple of times. So I will have a video coming out soon where I talk a little bit more about why this is such an effective disinfectant and a great multi-purpose, multi-surface cleaner. So be sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will link the playlist below that my friend Natasha and I have collaborated in putting together, and be on the lookout for that video coming soon. So now that I'm finished with this sheet set, I'm gonna go ahead and get it folded. So one thing that I've implemented that really works well for me is, in this case, I fold all 3 pieces of the sheet set, the 2 sheets and the 1 pillowcase, and I put them all together inside of the second pillowcase and put them in the closet. That way, whenever it's time to do this again, change the sheets and change the bedding and wash, then I know that this entire sheet set is all together and I just need to grab it really quickly, and it works well for me. I just have to tell you guys that Alice is hard at work still vacuuming, and in the last 2 weeks since I've gotten her, I have run her maybe once or twice a week. And each time she picks up so much dust and dirt and pet hair, I have been really impressed. And even though this video is not sponsored, I just wanted to give you my honest opinion, and I will put a link in the description to the iRobot that I have and that I'm using. So since Alice is hard at work, still vacuuming, I'm gonna go ahead and get my daughter's bed all finished and put back together. And I'm just going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that it gave you some motivation to get some things done around your house. And like I said before, be on the lookout for a new video coming soon where I'm talking about the Green and Clean and other amazing Jordan Essentials products. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that, and leave me a thumbs up on your way out. And as always, thank you for being here and watching. I'll see you next time.